Let's purchase some tokenized real estate. I'm super excited to do this. My name is Sharita Deloach, and you are looking at my estate dashboard. This is actually my business account. Okay, so you can come over here and create an account with your business, and you can do it personal too. Okay, so before we get into all of these things, I got to make sure that we go over this disclaimer that the content, including any income or results shared, is for example purposes only and is not typical. We do not guarantee any specific income or success. Your results will vary based on your skills, your experience, your effort, and your consistency. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial or business advice. All right, so let's go back over here to estate. And I am proud that we have completed our first week of profits. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we completed our first week. We had 2 days. I'm not gonna count that right now, but our first week in profit. So it's actually 7 days. So let's say first 7 days in profits. Okay. And the reason why you see the numbers change, well, they're going to change anyway, but you see a drastic, it went from $9 to $17 because I made a purchase. Okay. I made a purchase. I can't remember what day I made that purchase, but today is August 21st, 2026. And we are done with profits for today. So it's Friday. So what I did was the plan is just to make, I'm going to withdraw my profits, which I did. And I'm going to come over here and show you the notification. So I withdrew $75.55. That's what we made this week. Okay. $75.55. I withdraw that to my e-wallet. Okay. And I also withdrew, I transferred $30 to my e-wallet as well because I reached agent level 2. If you watch my last video, and I received $30. Okay, that was my bonus. So I said I'm gonna go ahead and transfer that over here as well. So that's what we did. Now what I want to do is, because we made 75, 55, and $30. How much is that altogether? Let's see, 30. I think it's 105. So 30 plus 75, 55. Yeah, 105.55. Okay. So we're going to take 105. We just rounded up to 106, and we're going to purchase some tokenized real estate. Okay. That's the goal for my business account. Every week on Friday, probably around this time, because that's the last day my profits will drop into my profit balance. I know that because of the times that I made the purchases. So I am going to, on Fridays, make that withdrawal over here, and I'm going to put it in my e-wallet. We're just going to make purchases. Okay, we're just going to keep make purchases. We are at about $17. So the first goal is to get it to $20 a day. So we're almost there. And the next goal, we're going to go to $30. So we're going to keep raising the goalpost as we continue to build out the portfolio. Okay. So let's go over here because I have 124.07, but we're only going to do 105 because I like to leave some buffer room in my e-wallet because I am an agent. My business account is an agent as well. We want to make sure we have our agent fee, $9 a month. Okay. So I like to just leave money in there. So at the time of this recording, I have enough where I can either purchase one share of the Venetian Villa, which is $100, and these are the numbers here. Okay. Or I could just purchase 106 over here. So that's $45 a day. What if I do over here? 106. That's 30 cents. So this like that one is more. So if I did 106 here, that's gonna yield me, then these are average floating rates. So about 45 cents a day, $9.45 a month. Total will be 170. I break even at month 10. Okay, so that's what it's gonna look like there. Or I could come over here and do the Venetian at 106. That's gonna give me just a little bit more. So I think I'm gonna go with the Venetian Villa. Okay, we're gonna go with the Venetian Villa. And right now, at the time of this recording, we actually have a promotion going on. You purchase $1,000 or more any property, you get the one-on-one match of the Venetian Villa, and that is happening until September the 3rd, 2026. Okay, I put the details down below in the comments. But yeah, you might want to get on that. People have been taking advantage of that. But today we're just going to do $106. Okay. All right. So let's buy property. We're going to take it right from the e-wallet. Okay. So about 30 cents a day, $6.30 a month, $113.40. That's total profit. That means after the 18 months, that's what totally I would bring in. And then we're going to break even at month 16. Okay. So I'm going to hit pay now. And it's going to give me a little invoice here. All right. But I'm going to sign contract. Contract has been signed. And then I'm just going to pay with balance. There we go. Success. Your tokenized real estate has been purchased. And all you can do, go over here to, you can see my profits, how much I've been making off of each one, how much I made so far off of each purchase that I've made. And you can just go right down here, and this will tell you what your portfolio looks like. So as you can see, I got a lot of Venetian because of that match. We made our first purchase at $1,000, so we got $1,000 match. We did the Desert Villa, which that has since been sold out. We made a purchase there, got that one. Then I made a purchase of the apartment. I think I put that on AutoCap. Then we have a lake house purchase there. Then we have an apartment purchase there. Desert Villa. Yeah, I did the Desert Villa again. Okay, on the 19th, and we got the Venetian. So that's how that promotion works. Okay, you basically getting free. It's 1-to-1. Now we got the Venetian Villa at 106. All right. So this is what we're going to be doing on a weekly basis. We're going to, make purchases as we continue to get profits. And that's what we want to do. Okay. I may do a video. I may withdraw it to my business bank account. I may do that to, have a video for you to see that. But other than that, I'm just going to keep building this portfolio. And I'm so, so excited. All right. So again, go ahead and sign up for your free account. I have my link down below. Once you sign up for your free account, do your KYC. I don't get a notification, but I usually check my accounts a couple times a day. And I'm going to email you. So expect to hear from me. I'm going to email you so we can book a call together. And we can also, just chat. We can chat on a call to see what your goals are, whether you want to start with a business account or maybe you want to, start with a personal account. A lot of people start with a personal account and then set up a business under their personal account. That's exactly what I did. Okay. So you can do that. And we'll set up your account and get you going. You can become a digital real estate agent as well. And that's where you can make some active income. Everyone that signs up under you. And I mean, you can go all the way up to, I think it's 8 levels deep. Okay. So people that sign up under you, you can, you make money from your people that close deals. All right. I personally, on my personal account, I'm agent level 6, I get paid all day, every day. I think I'm like 83% to level 7, get paid all day, every day from people I have no idea who they are. So you got to get used to that. That's something that Charles says. You got to get used to wanting to get paid from people that you have no idea and you had no hands in dealing. I was watching my husband's account. We've been watching his account every day, and people been purchasing the land plot. I'm gonna go over here and show you the land plot. But people have been purchasing, and I might not be able to see it because there are buyer levels. That means you have to spend a certain amount before you can elevate up. And you see these sold out properties, but you have to spend a certain amount before you can elevate up and be able to access. So this account right here, I can't access, but that's not what I was referring to. The land plot right here. Oh, it's sold out. Wow. The land plot is sold out. You heard it here first. Well, you probably won't see this video. You probably already heard it. If you didn't know, it's sold out. It is sold out. Wow. But as you can see, these returns, he has been getting people to purchase this land plot like all day, every day, from his level 3s, level 4s. He had a level 6 today. So imagine getting paid from people. He said, I have no idea who that is. And he made $600 from a person today. Like, imagine that. You can build a whole empire over here. But do the first thing first. Set up your free account, okay? Before you get ahead of yourself, set up your account. You can do personal or you can do business, okay? I have both. And yeah, let's get this going. We are in a new era of wealth. We're in a great time. And I would love for you to take advantage now, because as we're getting more properties on the platform. We got a mobile app coming. The returns are not going to be as high as they are now. So I would definitely want to encourage you to get in now. Okay. That's it. Have a great one. Bye for now.